Today's exit ticket is related to our objective of multiplying and reducing rational expressions. And this is sort of an example problem in order for us to just check and see if we really understand how to do this. So this is a product of two rational expressions, one rational expression times another. And multiplying these, at first you might imagine if I took this binomial here, this linear factor, and multiplied by this quadratic, I'd end up with some kind of cubic, some kind of x cubed on the top. I don't want to go through all of that multiplication because I'm actually already sort of on the way to having a completely factored form. I just want to maybe factor this thing and factor the bottom of this rational expression. Let me just do that. I'll just take my numerator here and leave it as it is. And then, again, you should be comfortable factoring quadratics like this. We're going to have a +2 and a -1 there. And always thinking about just going backwards. If I multiply this out, do I get this? Right? That's a good opportunity to check. Now, the top of this second rational expression, x minus 2, x minus 1. Again, think through the product of these two binomials. Do you end up with this quadratic? You should. And there, I factored everything now. And maybe to make things a little more obvious, I can put these factors in parentheses right here. Because really in this product, I'm taking the entire numerator here, this whole entire thing, and I'm multiplying by this whole thing. So really I have the product of 1, 2, 3 factors on top and 1, 2, 3 factors on bottom. And you've probably already noticed that there is a common factor that I can cancel. It's the x minus 1. These divide out. X minus 1 divided by x minus 1 is just plain old 1. So I can simplify this by dividing out those factors. And let me rewrite what I get. X minus 2 times x minus 2 divided by x plus 2 times x plus 2. So we want to maybe be able to simplify it a little bit more, and we can, but there's no more factors that we can cancel from the top and the bottom. But you notice that we have the same factor occurring twice on the top and twice on the bottom. So I might go a little bit farther and do this. And that's simpler. So I could even take it one step further. Because I'm squaring the top and the bottom, I could write this product like that. And that's probably the simplest or lowest terms that I can reduce this original product to.